What extension cords are safest for pop-up coffee stands? The safest choices are heavy-duty, outdoor-rated, grounded cords with the correct wire size, enough length, and protection from water and overloads. For a pop-up coffee stand, choose a cord marked for outdoor use and rated for at least 15 amperes, with 3 prongs and a grounding connection. A 12-gauge cord is a strong general choice because coffee makers, kettles, grinders, and refrigerators can use a lot of electricity. Keep each cord as short as practical, since very long cords can lose power and become hot when heavily loaded. Check the equipment labels and add their wattages before plugging them into one cord or outlet. Do not connect several cords together or use a small household cord with a power strip. Keep connections off the ground and protected from rain, spills, and wet pavement, but do not cover them with materials that trap heat. A ground fault circuit interrupter outlet or a portable ground fault circuit interrupter adapter can quickly shut off power if electricity enters water or a person. One lesser-known danger is that a cord can feel only slightly warm while its plug or connection is becoming dangerously hot, so inspect plugs during service and stop using anything damaged, loose, discolored, or hot. A common mistake is choosing a cord by length alone, so check its wire gauge and electrical rating first. Another mistake is assuming a 3-prong plug makes every setup safe, so use a properly grounded outlet and never remove the grounding prong. People also often hide cords under rugs or run them across walking paths, which can cause overheating or trips, so route them along protected edges and use cord covers made for outdoor events. Never exceed the outlet, generator, or cord rating, and avoid plugging heating appliances into the same circuit when the total load is uncertain. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobItTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.